Track up to 35 vehicles, 35 drivers, 35 companies associated with your vehicles, as well as your transportation business as a whole with this one easy-to-use spreadsheet.
Everyone, this is Meeta. Let's see how the spreadsheet works. You have the main dashboard, and this shows you how your whole business is performing. You get the total income, cost of goods sold, gross income, operating expenses, net profit, profit percentage, and you get all of this information on a monthly basis as well as for each income category and expense category. Next, we come to the vehicle dashboard, and over here you get to see the performance of each of your vehicles. Income, expenses, net profit, profit percentage. You also get to see by each income source as well as by each expense category. Then we come to the individual vehicle dashboard, and over here you can choose any vehicle to see how that particular vehicle has performed. You get to see the annual overview, income, cost of goods sold, gross income, operating expenses, net profit and percentage. You also get to see the monthly performance of this vehicle, both in terms of income sources as well as expenses. Next, we come to the company dashboard, and this is useful if you have registered your vehicles under different companies. You get to see how each company is doing on an overall basis, income, expenses, net profit, profit percentage, as well as by each income source and by each expense category. Then we come to the individual company dashboard, and over here you can simply choose any company that you want to see. Let's say company 1, and you get to see the annual overview for this company, income, cost of goods sold, gross income, operating expense, net profit, profit percentage. You get to see the monthly income, expenses, profit and profit percentage, and you also get to see the monthly income for each income source and monthly expenses for each expense category. You can change the companies to choose any other company that you want to see, for example company 2, and you can get to see all of the information for that company. Then come to the wages dashboard, and over here you get to see what you have paid in wages for each week for all of your drivers, as well as how much each driver has been paid in each week. There is also an automatically generated profit and loss statement, which gives you your consolidated figures for your entire business as well as what each company did. Now we go to the income and expenses tabs, where you would enter your transactions. We are now at the income tab, and this is where you would enter the date, say June 1. Then choose an income source from the drop down list, say it's goods delivery. Let's choose truck 5, and automatically you'll see the company associated with truck 5 gets populated. Choose the income, let's say it was 15,000, enter that. You can enter sales tax if you need to, and you get over here automatically the total income. You can also enter the contractor name. This is optional, any description that you want, and any notes. And over here on the top, your totals get summed up. The information that you enter in the income tab gets automatically pulled into the different dashboards. For example, if you go into the main dashboard, you'll see in June there was income of 15,000. If we go to the company dashboard, and we look at company 5, you'll see the income showing there of 15,000. If we go to the vehicle dashboard, you'll see truck 15 shows 15,000. Next, let's enter some expense transactions. We are now in the expenses tab. Let's enter a date. Then let's enter a category of the expense, say it's vehicle maintenance and repairs. Let's choose the truck. Let's say it's truck 5. The company gets automatically populated as does the week over here as soon as you enter the date. Now let's enter the expense. Say it was $1,000. You can choose a vendor if you like from a drop-down list, and you can write in who you paid it to, the receipt number, and the notes. All the information in the expenses tab will get automatically populated in the dashboards. If you go to the main dashboard, you'll see there's $1,000 in June for towards total expenses. If you go down, you'll see vehicle maintenance and repairs was $1,000 in June. If you go to the company dashboard, you'll see the total expenses are $1,000 under company 5. Again, the expenses show up in vehicle maintenance and repairs under company 5. If we go to the vehicle dashboard, you'll see the information under truck 5, under vehicle maintenance and repairs. Also get to see this in the individual truck dashboard. Let's choose truck 5, and there you'll see that there is $1,000 towards total expenses in June. Let's enter some wages, say June 30. You'll see the week automatically gets populated. Say it's driver's wages, and this is for truck 5, and this is say driver 7, and the amount of wages for that week was say 2,000. Now if we go to the wages dashboard, you'll see driver 7 was paid $2,000 in week 27. You will also see this information in the different dashboards: the main dashboard, driver's wages; the company dashboard, driver's wages; the vehicle dashboard, driver's wages. There is also a balance sheet template into which you can fill in all the assets and liabilities of each of your companies. The spreadsheet also has a vendor list where you can enter the vendor names and any other information associated with them, and this becomes an automatic drop-down list in the expenses section. Over here, you don't need to type in the vendor name, simply choose it from the drop-down list. Let's go over to the very first tab in the spreadsheet. This is the settings tab, and this is where you can enter your company name, change the fiscal period if you like, and you can customize the income sources, operating expenses, cost of goods sold, week names, your company names, your vehicle names. You can assign a company to each vehicle. So say truck 1 has been assigned to company 1. You can change this based on the drop-down list. Just choose any other company. Then you can change the driver names, and you can change any of these names in the settings page simply by going in and typing over it. So say for example we want to change this to like event packages. If you want to leave the rest of them blank, you can do so. Simply highlight and delete. Similarly, you can change anything in the expenses. It comes pre-filled for ease of use. You can go and change the company names to, like, say for example ABC LLC, and so on. This spreadsheet can be used in both Excel and Google Sheets. It can be used for any type of transportation business like trucking, limousines, car rentals. If you need more vehicles or more drivers or companies, please let me know and I can customize it for you.
I'm leaving the link to the spreadsheet in the description and comment section below. You can find all my spreadsheets at my website moneyusage.com. I hope you subscribe to my channel so you see more of my videos, and I'll catch you on the next one.